Hello guys, welcome in this new tutorial on Bybit. So if you want to trade our signal on Bybit, you need to subscribe on Bybit and you find our affiliate link for more discount and more bonus on deposit. So if you want to deposit crypto, you need to come here, deposit, deposit crypto, choose your crypto. If you want trade, you need to deposit USDT. So I advise you for minus fee you need to use Tron chain or BSC chain. You have very low fee. And if you want to buy crypto on your credit card, you need to come here, one click buy, put your deposit. So come here and here click bank card. Okay. Now when we share signal, you need to go on derivatives and so come here, derivatives and USDT perpetual. And now you come here. So when we share the signal, so like this trade on Solana, we have entry, stop loss, and more take profit. So if entry is 130, you go on here, you find sold, and now you have the sold chart. So here we advise you to use cross margin. Now you need to select your leverage. Leverage is share on signal. So for the signal is 10 per leverage. So right now you click confirm and now the open price. If you want to put a limit, you need to use limit. But when we share the signal is every time on market. So is this. You click market and you enter at the market price. So right now is 140 34. So right now we enter this. We advise you to use max 1% of your wallet. So this is not good. So you need to use 1%. So if this is 0.6 and right now in this account there is 91 euros, so you need to use 0.90. I understand? Okay. Right now, me do example on $80. So when we have the signal price and the market price is usual on the signal shared, so in this case it's 130, okay, like this. So in the example we are on this, stop loss is on 130, target is on 138. So we need to do this lot size, take profit and stop loss. Here we put the stop loss on 130. So we click 130. Here show your loss if the trade hit the stop loss, and above we insert the TP 138. Now we click OK, confirm, and the trade is shown here. When we are So do it an example. When we have the trade opened here, when trade it first CP, we click here, market, close 25%. Okay, we repeat for TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, and every time. When the trade hit TP1, we need to move the stop loss on break even, so just do it this. Okay, if you have any question, contact Scalper Baby for more explanation. Thank you for watching.